Hey guys, Richard here from Starline Security. What we got today here is a Kia Stinger 2022 plate, brand new and installed with the Starline M66 Security System. Now the way this system works, it protects your car from being stolen, because if a thief doesn't have if they don't have this special tag with them, the vehicle will not start. So what they usually do is they get hold of your key frequency when you unlock your vehicle, or they break in using the glass, and they're able to obviously recode the ECU to make a clone your key. So with our system, with the Starline M66 installed, if they get into the vehicle, they try and start the car. So I'm going to press the start button. As you can see, the car will not turn on. This tag is disabled at the moment, so I'll get the working tag afterwards. So yeah, the car will not turn on. Also, what's going to happen is the system's going to call you.
Continuous recording.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
Connect to a Wi-Fi network whose
So it lets you know the ignition has been turned on. Someone's trying to start the vehicle. So yeah, that's how the system works. So I'm going to get the tag with me now. Okay, so now I got the working tag with me. Now if I try and start the car, you can see the car starts. Also with this system, you get a phone app included with a smartphone app that allows you to control various aspects of the system. So as you can see, you got a tracker built in. You can send the system various commands and also see the status of your vehicle. Also with this is got built-in sensors that will call you when they're triggered. So you got various sensors like motion, tilt and shock sensors that when they're triggered, it will call you on your phone. So yeah, if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554 or visit us at Starline Security in Ilford, Gansu. Thank you.